Hey there, and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Casey, and this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's mealtime mentors. Today we're making a delicious salad featuring one of our favorite grains.
Yes, today we are making a lemon dill couscous salad.
Yes, so we're using couscous. It's not actually a grain itself. It's made from wheat or barley, so it's actually more similar to like a pasta. But they're very small, so closer in size to like a rice, but it cooks really similar to rice too. And today we're using Mediterranean, or you might see pearl couscous, so it's kind of the middle of the road size.
Like the size of peppercorns.
Exactly, yes. So just kind of a fun alternative to pasta or rice.
Yes, and you can find this either in the grocery aisles by the rice and pasta, or you can find this in our bulk section in our natural and organic department. So what we have going over here, it cooks very similar, like Casey said, to a rice or a pasta. So we have some water that's just boiling. We're going to add our couscous right to our water. And we're using a 2-to-1 ratio, so 2 parts water to 1 part couscous. We're going to let this simmer here for about 5 minutes. After that, we're going to turn off our heat, cover it, and let it sit for 5 minutes just to absorb the rest of that water.
Yes, so while the couscous is cooking, I'm going to get started with chopping our veggies for the salad. So today we're using an English cucumber. I'm just going to chop this. We're using an English cucumber instead of a regular one because it's a little less seedy and the water content is a little lower, but a regular cucumber would work just as fine. And then I'm also going to cut some cherry tomatoes in half as well.
So while Casey's working on our veggies, I'm going to get started on our dressing. Really, really simple dressing, but a very refreshing and slightly sweet dressing. So we've got our olive oil, and we've got some honey for just a touch of sweetness. And then a little bit of Dijon. And then we've got a lemon. So we're using the whole lemon. We're getting the juice and the zest out of our lemon.
Really fresh flavor.
Yes. So I'm going to zest it first. I love lemon zest. It just adds this whole other dynamic of that lemon flavor.
Yes, very fresh, great for spring when you want to kind of start getting a lot of those fresh flavors back into
Yes, definitely.
your foods.
All right, then I'm going to squeeze our juice in here. Do our other half. I love, too, when you can use an entire lemon.
Oh, yes.
Where it's not just
Makes it
calling
very
for the
easy.
zest or the juice. You're using both.
You don't have to remember that, oh, I have a lemon in the fridge. I need to remember to use that.
Yes, yep. How are our veggies looking?
They're looking good. Yep.
Excellent. All right, so we'll get the juice out of here. Squeeze it out. All right. So now I'm just going to whisk this together.
This is actually a really good dressing for, you could use it for other salads too.
Yes, totally.
It's very versatile.
Then I'm just going to lastly add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then from here, we need to let our couscous finish cooking, so we'll just let that keep going. All right, let's check out this couscous.
Ooh,
Yay!
that looks good.
It does.
Nice.
Our next step, adding it to our big dressing bowl so we can add in the rest of our ingredients.
Yep, so we're gonna add some frozen peas that we've thawed, which is, I think, a really nice kind of springtime fresh veggie to add.
Yes, I love peas.
Our chopped veggies, cucumber and tomato.
I love all the fresh ingredients in this salad.
Yes, it really goes well with that dressing. And then the finishing touch is a whole bunch of dill.
This is fresh dill that
Yep.
we've chopped up. Definitely adjust to your liking, but we love dill, and it just adds a lot of really fresh flavor to this salad.
Yes, and I especially love the combination of lemon with dill. I think that's super fresh.
Yes, our lemon, dill, honey, all those amazing ingredients from our dressing. All right, this looks good. So this salad can be served warm, like we are today, because the couscous is warm, or it can be served cold. So
yes, definitely. And it's kind of more of a side dish right now, but you could really easily add chicken, shrimp, chickpeas if you wanted for some protein to make it a complete meal as well.
yes.
All right, so then our garnish today is just going to be a little bit of feta. Oops, or a lot in my case.
Yes.
Add a little in yours.
Love feta.
Yes. All right, let's give this a try. Mmm,
That dressing is amazing.
so fresh. Love the veggies too.
Yes, very sweet.
Mm-hmm. Well, we think you'll say yum yum to this delicious couscous salad.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit bestfoods.com.